I'm Vince Spezio. I'm the president of Mid-Atlantic Mechanical in New Jersey. It is the most recent addition to our shop. I actually saw it the first time at the ASHRAE show, and I saw the team from Mestek up there, and they indicated that was a piece that was going to be available in the future, and they told me we could get the first actual produced combination machine that would install the corners as well as close the Pittsburgh.
Great machine. Originally, you bang them in by hands. You got to bang 4 corners in by hand, flip it over, put another 4 in, and then you got to lay it down and do an air hammer. All manual. This eliminates everything. You just stick it in there, the sensors pick it up. It puts 2 corners in and does the Pittsburgh in one shot. You can't beat it.
We are the first. It's been tested in a few shops, and obviously it's been tested here, and we're very happy with it. We're very happy. So far it's been a big space saver, I could say that, versus having the separate machines that have the corner and the seam closer. It's definitely a lot better to have just the one machine. It gives us more room for ductwork. As soon as it's assembled, it's going out and it's made and out the door. So it gives us, and one man is actually operating that machine in lieu of 2. So it's a big labor saver. Time-wise, the Pittsburgh seamer seems to be as quick, at least as the standalone machine, and the corners are maybe even quicker. It is a good, it has a good payback associated with it, I'll put it that way.
We have the duct set up right here. You just slide it in, and the first one does 2 corners and the Pittsburgh right there. Normally, you were doing the Pittsburgh first and then going to another machine. And yeah, it's still quicker than manually doing it, but 2 in 1, just you can't beat it. You can't.
We certainly had a lot more material handling going on, and obviously when you are dealing with moving duct and transporting it around the shop, there's always incidents that could, a possibility that you could strain your back or muscles or something like that. The advantages of the combo machine, again, is that we have one man also that is working there instead of 2. It is a safer environment. So in material handling, even though, and again, 1 station instead of 2, the amount of touches is reduced.
84 by 48, I think we just did 18 gauge. As to putting it into one machine compared to 2, it's just you're killing yourself trying to put a duct that big into 2 different machines. It's a big duct, so it still is kind of hard to put in this machine. But once you find out the right way to place it into the machine, it's perfect.
If you had the option of having a whisper lock and a dual head Cornermatic versus the combo machine, what would you choose?
Definitely the combo. One machine does it all. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Very impressed.